Viking jewellery. Both male and female Vikings from all layers of society wore jewellery in the form of arm rings, necklaces and brooches. Some of the jewellery was ornamental and it could also indicate wealth. Other items, such as brooches, often had a practical function as well, to fasten clothes. One of the most characteristic items of female Viking jewellery are the pairs of oval brooches, sometimes called tortoise or turtle brooches, or cup brooches from their shape. They are found in many of the female graves from the Viking Age. The brooches were sometimes connected with chains or strands of beads of glass or silver, amber or jet. Viking brooches were used as clothes fasteners and worn as ostentatious displays of wealth. These Viking brooches take a variety of different forms, incorporating dragons and mythical beasts into intricate knotwork designs. Tortoise or turtle brooches have been found from Ireland to the Volga throughout in graves from the 8th to 10th century. Make your own Viking tortoise brooch. We know quite a lot about what the Vikings used to wear, and our information comes from a range of sources, including archaeology. However, fabrics do not survive well when buried in the soil, so archaeologists do not often find pieces of clothing. What they do recover are the dress fasteners and jewellery that were worn. So, carefully cut out 2 circular sections from fruit box inserts. These will be your brooches. Covered the domed surface of each one with PVA glue and put some string on it to create a pattern. Repeat so you have 2 of them, and then cover with foil. Smooth out and join. Now this is my one, Miss Graham's turtle brooch. So the equipment I used newspaper, foil, card, tape and glue. First of all, I drew 2 ovals about the size of my fist and I cut them out. Then I rolled some newspapers into a tube or straw and I curled the tube into a spiral. I glued that spiral around on one of the oval discs. I then scrunched some newspaper into balls and I filled up the hole in the middle with the scrunched up newspaper. I then covered the card and newspaper with some foil and I joined the 2 brooches with a string of beads. You might be able to spot my glasses beads. Have fun!